Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 26th, 2022. We are going to talk about Fantom today. Do you think the cryptocurrency is going to go to zero? I mean, for real talk. Do you all think the price in Fantom is going to go to zero? We need to talk about that because if so, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad opportunity to come and sell it, right? Especially when the market is up there around $1.38. You would want to sell it if you absolutely knew that the coin is going to go to zero. Now, we're going to look at the chart because the chart will tell us if the market is going to go to zero in Fantom. All right, so let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. Let's just look at what the market is trying to tell us so that we can see. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price prediction. Yes, this is what I'm all about. Here on this platform, I show you all where I think the market is going to go without you all being confused about what I say or what I show you. I simply look at the price bars and the volume to grab what the people are trying to say. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, join on board. Let's go. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well because you don't want to miss it. I'm the one of the realest YouTubers out here giving you all price predictions. And I'm actually plotting it on the chart so you all can see it as to what price does in relation to what I thought was going to happen at a particular moment in time. Check this out. March the 7th was the last video that I've done for Fantom. I was telling you all then that I was looking for the price to go down. Take a look. It did. Fantom did go down after I did my video, right here on March the 7th. Price in Fantom went down. Now look at this. I said that the market was going to come down like towards $1. That was a support area. The buyers told us that they was willing to prop up the price in Fantom right there. See, you actually kind of get an idea when you might need to let the profit go and take it and move on. The market have already hinted that the buyers were here. So that's how I knew that we might need to take the bag in Fantom as price went down towards $1. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. The market gives us the answers. We just got to simply sit back and pay attention. So if you would have solved this price prediction on March the 7th and shorted this particular cryptocurrency all the way down here to the low of $1.03, check this out. You could have received about 27% profitability in your position. Yeah, however much you invested or traded in that particular play, you would have gotten back 27% more than what you originally went in to play with. That's how this game is played. So I want to say congratulations to you if you expected the same thing to happen in your analysis, in your particular strategy, in your forecast. If you saw the same thing, kudos, because you're actually learning how this market really works. So now, getting that that's the case, going back to my question, do you suspect that Fantom is going to go to zero? The answer right now is no. It's just that simple. The market confirmed that they're not willing to let Fantom go to zero right now because they bought the market. They bought this currency around $1. So this currency still has value. It's just that simple. If we would have broken this horizontal line, if we would have broken $1 to the downside, then we might need to have a different dialogue. We might need to come through and actually explain a couple of things as to, okay, let's see where the buyers are at next. And then that probability of seeing Fantom go to zero will be back on the table, but they didn't do it. So guess what? If anything, we're going to consolidate. If anything, we're going to see this currency trade within a range. We're not looking for the price in Fantom to go lower than $1 right now because of this confirmation right here that occurred mid-March. Okay, so let's get on to this. Let's look at this on the 5-day time frame. In Fantom, you guys can see we got 5 days left, and I still like the fact that the market doesn't look extremely weak. Like when we first started this downtrend in Fantom back here in January, mid-January, we saw a lot of volatility, meaning that the spread of these 5-day price bars is extremely wide, right? They're long, meaning that there was a lot of activity going on between the buyers and the sellers that really brought the price down. Well, the last 3 5-day price bars, we're not necessarily seeing those very wide spreads anymore, are we? No, we're not, because the market is becoming more stable. The market has got acclimated to trading around $1, $1.20, $1.30. Yeah, they're comfortable with prices at this level. than they were when price was up there around 320. Okay, so check this out. Let's look at this on the 2-day. Okay, everyone can tell, everyone can see, everyone has access to this information. Look at this. We're in an uptrend. It's a very shallow uptrend, I'll give you that. The market in Fantom was not really moving much, but every day on a 2-day price bar, we're closing higher than the previous 2-day price bar. Where are the people at? Where's the market volatility in Fantom? Do you suspect that we might be hitting the top right now, then the market may actually come back down to $1.20? Back down to $1? Like, what do you think the price is going to do? Because that's the only edge we have. I'll continue to say that the only edge that we have amongst our competition is to already be in position. We got to be there and wait on them to get, and wait on price to get there. This is Fantom right here on the 2 weeks time frame, right? And this is very worrisome for me, right? This 2-weekly price bar. And I know a lot of people may think that this particular cryptocurrency is strong right now, but from a 2-weekly perspective, you all would think that we should see price go down, right? Following this 2-weekly price bar, the price is supposed to go down. The market is supposed to break $1 and go a lot lower. But we didn't get that. We have 1 day and 9 hours left. So give me this margin of error. This looks pretty strong, especially off of what we came off of the last 2 weeks. If we're not going to see the price in Fantom fall below $1, then this was the prime opportunity to come in and buy this currency right around here. Now is the time to come through and buy Fantom, because the market is not reacting to the way that we would expect it to go. The market is supposed to continue to fall. So in the next day and 9 hours, you have to pay attention. I'm gonna keep it real. In the next day and 9 hours, let's say the market in Fantom ends up closing down here again. In the next day and 9 hours, then the weakness is still in control, at least from a 2-weekly perspective. You got to see that. But as of right now, the market looks strong in Fantom. See, that's why it's very important for you to be a little bit more vigilant and watch the price and price action. Because right now, yeah, I could say that the market looks pretty strong in Fantom, but in the next day and 9 hours, as time decreases, the market volatility may come back in and the price will close all the way down here at the bottom. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Check this out. Look at these spreads of these 3-weekly price bars right here. Okay, and I want you all to look at this volume. We're seeing the market price in Fantom close up there towards the high of the bar on the same amount of volume. So we're seeing market buyers coming in. They're coming in right now. So check this out. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to play the strength into the market in Fantom. I'm going to look for the market to go up in price. Now, we already know that $1 is where the market came through and held that support area. I'm going to hold that there, right? Now, this is what I would like to see. Let's say price in Fantom starts to dip and go down. I want to see the market buyers claim a stake right around here. I don't want to see the market fall below this level, which is around $1.20. Okay. On weakness, if the market breaks Fantom below $1.20, yeah, you might just need to cut the play, minimize the loss, and move on. Don't become emotionally tied to these plays. The market is literally letting us know what to expect, especially if we see price break 120. Okay. So I want to see the market buyers stake a claim around 120, 115. That will give us 15% loss though if the weakness comes through and price breaks to the downside. I get it. You're not going to win every price prediction. So keep your eyes open on that. Now I'm going to bring it down here to that horizontal line though. That's the second area that I don't want to see the buyers lose control. Now, I'm going to play some strength into the market in Fantom. And the first area is going to be right there around $1.60. Okay, that's the first area for us to try to take the bag, for us to at least take some profitability and congratulate ourselves. Yeah, go ahead and congratulate yourself on getting 16.5%. There's nothing wrong with that. Second area is going to be up here around $1.80. That's around 30%. Okay. Those are the two areas that I'm looking for the market in Fantom to go now. All right. So now I've done this. I've shown you what my expectations are in the market in Fantom. I want you all to drop me your price prediction in the market in Fantom. Where do you think the price is headed? Where do you think the price is going to go without the confusion? All right. So make sure you maintain the profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.